Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Legendary gospel artist Dr. Rebecca Malope finally has responded on her Facebook after she was cut off during her performance at Zanele Mbokasi's funeral on Saturday. Now her fans, you guys, felt like she was being disrespected and humiliated by Ulindelani Mkhize, who was the man who was reportedly responsible for the sound, who cut her off while she was performing, and people felt like Dr. Rebecca Malope got the walk of shame and she was humiliated by Ulindelani Mkhize. And as a matter of fact, they have gone to social media to drag him to filth. Now Rebecca Malope has responded. This is what she had to say. She said, "South Africa, my beautiful family, thank you so much for all your love and concern. Mama Wenu is 100% fine. My performance was cut short because of the time limitations caused by the strict schedule and protocol that we all had to follow. It was not anyone's fault. I am fine. Lindelani Mkhize and I have been colleagues for many years and we share deep respect for each other. He was not at fault at all. He was just doing his job. Let's keep the focus on Zanele Mbokasi Nkambule as great send off and not turn the attention to anything negative. With lots of love, Mom Rebecca." Mwah, mwah, mwah. And well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. May God bless you all. Bye.
Oh, hallelujah. The Queen of Gospel, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rebecca Malope. Ngicela simshayele izandla. Kunesimemezelo, ladies and gentlemen. Ngicela sizothe, asiculi. I-procession iyangena manje.